Hello children, welcome back to Hindi class. In previous class, we have practiced E ki matra. Today I am here with U and U ki matra. So here you can see U letter. How you should write U? Like 3, right? 3 and 1 sleeping line, and this is U. Now how to write matra for this? You can see this 3 letter, right? In this half, it means like this. Reverse C. So this will be the matra of U letter, and when you want to write some sound with U, you can use this. That I will show with examples. Okay. So this is the matra of U letter, the symbol which carries the sound of U letter. In the same way, here we have U. So we have practiced, right? We will write number 3 and 1 curve. Isn't it? Now you can see in U which is extra, this one. So the same thing will be matra here, and here you should circle like this, and this will be U ki matra. Now we will see some words by using these matras. So children, here we have some words using U and U ki matra. U, sa, us. Us means that. Udhar, udhar. Udhar means there. Ga, here you can see U ki matra. When you add U ki matra to Ga letter, that sounds Gu. Gulab. Gulab means rose. Sa mein U ki matra Su, na. Sun. Sun means listen. U, na. Un. Un means ul. Upar. Upar means up. Next here you can see matra, right? This will carry the U sound. So here ja mein U ki matra ta. Juta. Juta is shoe. Next da mein U ki matra dha. Dudh. Dudh means milk. So now we will see some sentences by using these two matras. Here we have a story with U ki matra. Gudhiya ki chunari. So you can see U ki matra here, right? Gudhiya means doll, the chunari of the doll. एक चूहिया थी, दिन भर कुट कुट करती रहती थी. एक दिन शुभा की गुड़िया बाहर पड़ी थी. चूहिया उधर गई. There was a mouse. It used to mess around all day. One day, Shubha's doll was outside. The mouse went there. कुट 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 कुट. वह कुट कुट कर गुड़िया की चुनरी कुतर गई. शुभा भागी आई. चूहिया डर गई. By making the sound of kut kut, the mouse munched on the doll's chunri. Shubha ran away to see that. Shubha ran and come to see that. Mouse got scared. वह बिल की ओर भाग गई. शुभा गुड़िया उठाकर भीतर लाई. The mouse ran towards the bill. शुभा picked up the doll. शुभा बहुत उदास थी. दादी जी कपड़ा लाई. गुड़िया की नई चुनरी बन गई. नई चुनरी पहनकर गुड़िया नाच उठी. अब शुभा भी बहुत खुश थी. शुभा was very sad. Grandma brought some cloths and prepared new clothes to the doll. Wearing a new chunri, the doll started dancing. Now Shubha was also very happy. We have one more story using U ki matra. So the story name is Tarbooj ka ras. So here ba mein U ki matra bu. माली काका आए, खरबूजा और तरबूज लाए. पूजा खरबूजा काट कर खिला. खरबूजा बहुत मीठा था. द गार्डनर केम, ब्रॉट melon and watermelon. And he said to Pooja, cut the melon and feed it. The melon was very sweet. जूही अब तरबूज लाओ. छिलका छील कर तरबूज काट. वाह कितना लाल तरबूज. बीज निकाल कर खाओ. Then he said to Juhi, now bring watermelon, peel the peel and cut the watermelon. Wow, what a red watermelon. Take out the seeds and eat them. तरबूज का रस निकाल, make the juice of the watermelon. लाल लाल तरबूज का लाल रस, reddish watermelon juice. नूतन इधर आओ. Then he called नूतन, come here. तरबूज का लाल रस पियो, drink the red watermelon juice. वाह कितना मीठा रस. Wow, what a sweet juice. So children, please practice some words using u and u की मात्रा. We will meet in the next session. Till that, take care.